Understanding Strip Eyelashes, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of beauty terminology, specifically focusing on the phrase, strip eyelashes. If you've ever been curious about makeup and beauty trends, this video is for you. We'll explore what strip eyelashes are, how they're used, and why they're popular in the world of beauty and makeup. So, let's get started. Strip eyelashes are a type of artificial eyelashes that come in a strip form. Unlike individual lashes, which are small clusters or single lashes, strip eyelashes are a full set designed to cover the entire eyelid. They're typically made from various materials like synthetic fibers, silk, or human hair. These lashes are attached to a thin band, which is what makes them a strip. The purpose of these lashes is to enhance the volume, length, and shape of your natural eyelashes, giving a more dramatic and noticeable look. Using strip eyelashes might seem daunting at first, but it's quite simple with a bit of practice. Here's a brief rundown. 1. Measure and trim. Before applying, measure the strip against your eyelid and trim any excess. 2. Apply glue. Apply a thin layer of lash glue along the band of the eyelashes. 3. Wait. Wait for a few seconds until the glue becomes tacky. 4. Apply the lashes. Carefully place the strip on your eyelid, close to your natural lash line. Adjust as needed. 5. Secure and blend. Gently press down to secure the lashes and use mascara to blend them with your natural lashes. Strip eyelashes have gained popularity for several reasons. Versatility. They come in various styles, from natural-looking to dramatic, catering to different preferences and occasions. Ease of use. With a bit of practice, they are easy to apply and remove. Instant glamour. They instantly make the eyes look more dramatic and can enhance any makeup look. Reusable. High-quality strip eyelashes can be used multiple times, making them cost-effective. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has shed some light on what strip eyelashes are and how they can be a fun and glamorous addition to your makeup routine. Remember, practice makes perfect when applying them, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Stay beautiful, and see you in the next video.